Those parents who come to us and they're very difficult at meetings, one of the things we have to remember is the minute they come through the threshold of the school door, what kind of baggage do they carry? They carry their experiences from school. They carry experiences that their parents had while they were in school, and that's their last memory of school, if it wasn't a real positive place for them. And so every time they walk through the door, that's what they bring with them. And so sometimes at parent-teacher conference night in October, I might have parents that when they show up, and I'm like, oh, I'm so glad they showed up, because oftentimes you don't see the parents you really need to see. But when they do show up, if we just talk about NASCAR, or we just talk about sports, or we just talk about something for 20 minutes, and we never get to talking about the kids' school performance, and I'm able to say to them, hey, let's schedule a time that we can talk about some of the things that are going on in school, I will have a much better conference with them later on, because I started to build a relationship with them, and I want them to see that I'm actually a real person. And sometimes our parents are guarded by us. When we say something about their child, if they're not doing something right, we are actually insulting their parenting. And I think we have to be very careful about the way people perceive that. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.